So, Tim Cook is stepping down as the CEO of Apple. Huge surprise, but not so much of a surprise really when you consider that he's been in the job since the death of Steve Jobs, when Steve Jobs handed him over the control when he was seriously ill with pancreatic cancer. So really, Tim Cook has been there for a good amount of time and seen and overseen a huge amount of change within Apple. This new guy, whose name is John Ternus, has been with Apple since 2001. He's been pretty much involved in a lot of the sort of hardware engineering. He was the vice president, or is the vice president of that, and has been overseeing some sort of fundamental changes with the iPhone, the iPad, Apple Watch, and so on. So he's been pretty fundamental in a lot of changes within Apple, sort of in the background, but very high up. He's pretty young for a CEO, certainly for Apple, I suppose. You know, he's 50. He's known to be a really nice guy, just a genuine sort of dad, bit of a nerd, which are all good things for Apple. You want somebody that's passionate about tech, passionate about the future. But Apple are going to see some real fundamental shifts in how it sort of moves forward. We've got the evolution of AI, and we need to see how Apple is going to sort of manage that. And that's going to be up to this guy, John Ternus, to see if he can sort of steer Apple through what is going to be a very tumultuous time in terms of hardware. We've already seen that with hardware prices going up due to the cost of RAM. We've seen almost a stagnation in many ways with iPhone development and mobile development overall, and tech in general terms. And we've seen some huge leaps with Apple, with VR and so on, and been massive missteps as a result of that. So we're going to see some sort of key changes over the next few years as John Ternus turns Apple into what the vision that he's always imagined. And we don't really know what that is. We just know that he has been involved with the iPhone, the iPad, the Mac, the Apple Watch, AirPods, and Vision Pro over the last sort of 25 years. So he's done pretty well. The boy done good. So what are your thoughts? Are you sad to see Tim Cook go? Are you glad to see this new guy come in with some new ideas, new thoughts, and a new vision for Apple's future? Or do you just sort of don't care, don't see it as relevant? You just want your new iPhone. Which is it?